Hello everybody. Children, in today's EVS class, let us learn lesson number 4. Some of us may look different. First, let us learn about the keywords. The first keyword is hearing aid. Hearing aid. Hearing aid. Children, hearing aid is a tool that helps us to hear. So, hearing aid helps us to hear the sound. The next word is wheelchair. 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 Children, wheelchair is a chair on two large wheels used by those who cannot walk. See here you can see a wheelchair. Children, some of us may not have all body parts. Some people may not have all body parts. Or if they have also, in some people, some body parts do not work properly. For example, some people cannot walk like this. Some people cannot see. And some people cannot hear. And some people they cannot speak. Like this, in some people, some body parts do not work properly. Children, now let us see how some people may look different. Children, see this image properly? Like this, some people may not have eyes, or if they have also, they cannot see. So, a person who cannot see is called blind. So, blind is a person who cannot see. Children, these blind people wear dark glasses. And also, they use this type of stick to move around. Children, like this, some people, if they have ears also, they cannot hear properly. So, a person who cannot hear is called deaf. So, deaf means a person who cannot hear. See children, this is the image of hearing aid. People who cannot hear clearly, they use this hearing aid to hear. Children, some people like this cannot speak. These people talk using hand movements. Here, people are using sign language to communicate. Here, they are talking using hand movements. Like this, the people who cannot speak, they use this sign language to speak. Children, some people like this, they cannot walk. Because of the accident or some disease, they cannot walk like this. So, the people who cannot walk use a wheelchair to go from one place to another. See children, this is wheelchair. It is a chair on two large wheels used by the people who cannot walk. Children, I hope you have understood how some people look different. Now, let us discuss some workbook questions. Children, now let us discuss the workbook questions, that is 5.4. Some of us may look different. See here the first question, write who needs these things. Here below two things are given. We need to write who needs these two things. We all know that this is wheelchair and this is hearing aid. Now come to first one. So who needs this wheelchair children? Yes, the people who cannot walk need this wheelchair. Okay, here we need to write the people who cannot walk need this wheelchair. Then second one, hearing aid. Who needs this hearing aid? Yes, the people who cannot hear, they need this hearing aid. So here you need to write the people who cannot hear. Look at the picture of the boy and answer the questions. Okay. Write one way he is different from others. See the picture of the boy here. Whether he is different from others or not. Definitely he is different from others. How he is different? See, he is wearing a dark glass and he is using a stick to move around. So he is different. So he cannot see like others. So the answer should come here is he cannot see like others. Tick the activities that will be difficult for him to do. See here, among these activities, which activities will be difficult for him? Let us check it out. The first one is reading a newspaper. Children, can he read the newspaper? No, he can't read the newspaper. Why he can't read the newspaper? Because he cannot see. So children, this activity will be difficult for him to do. So tick this activity. The next activity is listening to music. Can he listen to music? Yes, he can listen to music. Children, only he cannot see but he can hear. So he can listen to music. Okay. Then the third activity is stitching clothes. Children, can he stitch clothes? No, he can't stitch clothes. Why? Because he can't see. So he can't stitch clothes. So this activity, that is stitching clothes, also will be difficult for him to do. So tick this also. Then the third one is brushing teeth. So he can brush it teeth. Children, this activity will not be difficult for him. Okay. See question. Write one game you can play with him. So children, what game we can play with this boy? Yes, we can sing with him together. So singing game we can play with him. Children, I hope you have understood how to do this practice questions. So try to complete these workbook questions. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.